Hello friends, this video is created for those who are suffering from sore throat. I have personally experienced this technique of ancient Bharatiya secret spiritual wisdom and found it is very effective to remove asymptomatic corona disease. I am giving the name of this video Your Respiratory Health Care by Your Spiritual Anatomy, and I will talk on Vishuddhi Chakra in next slide. Now I am talking unblock our energy centers. My mission is to provide enough information to recover your respiratory health along with your prescribed medicines. These information have been collected from various research work done on ancient Indian wisdom like Yoga Vigyan or Yoga Science. In this video, we will talk about the Vishuddhi Chakra. What is Yogic Chakra? Chakra means wheel. In Sanskrit language, word chakra is used as physics centers of consciousness. There are seven main chakra along the spine in human body. Human body is controlled by these chakra, seven energy centers. Chakra are often linked to nerve centers, gland and major organ of the body. Each of the seven chakra is said to correlate with different abilities, expressions, and type of health and psychological states of the mind. Now, scientists are observing several regulatory micro networks in the human body, deeply connected with immunity, health, mental peace, emotions, and happiness. These seven chakra are root chakra, in Hindi we call Mooladhar chakra. Second is sacral chakra, we call Swadhisthana chakra. Third is solar plexus chakra. In Hindi we call Manipur chakra. Fourth is heart chakra, and in Hindi we call it Nahat chakra. Fifth chakra is throat chakra. In Hindi we call it Vishuddhi chakra. Sixth chakra is third eye chakra. In Hindi we call it Agya chakra. Seventh and the last chakra is crown chakra, and we call in the Hindi Sahasrara chakra. Now I am talking about the throat chakra. It is the fifth energy centers and it is gateway to recover respiratory health rapidly. Now we are discussing on throat chakra, which is very helpful to remove sore throat and can increase power of immunity of the respiratory system. It is called also Vishuddhi chakra in yoga. How can we use our throat chakra for these jobs? Means remove sore throat and boost immunity power. We have to understand certain laws of the theory of physics and medical science in this regard. There are two types of energy fields, vertical and the subtle. Vertical energy can be measured and subtle energy cannot be measured directly given the technology we have this time. Vertical energy fields are measurable and consist of electromagnetic energy and sound energy. These are radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible lights, ultraviolet lights, X-rays and gamma rays. Subtle energy fields are substantially more complex. Within and around human body we have plethora of subtle fields. Every cell in the body and every thought generates a field. The field are not simply at the surface of beyond, but preemit our being at a cellular at atomic level. We know from Newton and quantum physics that atoms are really just energy slowed down in terms of vibration of frequency in such a way as to appear as matter. It then logically follows the atoms which are our bodies are comprised of are merely energy, or to look at it different way, we are comprised of varying degrees of vibration and frequency. This vibration exists in particular planes and fields, and many scientists and mystics hypothesize that the fields are as vast and infinite as the universe itself. Because we cannot measure these energy fields directly does not mean we cannot prove their existence by measuring them indirectly. This may seem like shadow science to some. What I would point out there is a tremendous vertical energy that we know exists. We harness its power on a daily basis. We have observed its effects since the dawn of time. However, we have never seen it. That energy is called wind. Wind, by definition, is the movement of the gases on a larger scale. We never see the wind. We only see the effect that the wind makes. We do not measure the wind. We measure the change in position of particles moved by the wind, velocity, density of gases involved, and the energy exchange based on these properties. There is no reason why we cannot measure the chakra and the related energy fields in the same fashion. But now, modern physics has revealed that behind the superficial appearance of the structure, the universe is an infinite vibrating energy field which is organized accordingly to harmoniously resonating intervals. Similarly, the human body has energy field that has maximal maximal intensity and in around the physical body. These various energy following in and around the body vibrate at their own frequency and resonate harmoniously at notes known in yoga chakra. We have to believe and accept subtle energy field which impacts on our body. Now we come again on topic of the throat chakra or Vishuddhi chakra. In yoga books, the place of throat chakra is located in back of our neck and behind the throat pit. Vishuddhi chakra means centers of the purification. The throat center is the place where divine nectar called Amrit is tested. The organ associated with this area of our body include our reptilian brain, the lower part of our brain stem, which is the oldest area of the brain and governs much of the subconscious mind, our thyroid, parathyroid, trachea, windpipe that allows air to move in and out of the lungs, as well as our pharyngeal plexus. The throat chakra is connected to our willpower. When it is balanced, you feel more invigorated, take risks, and express yourself like never before. In total, it increases confidence and immunity power in the body. When the throat chakra is imbalanced, it affects the thyroid system, which can lead to hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Also, exhaustion and lethargy can occur. Digestive and weight problems may fluctuate and be affected by this imbalance as well. Behind all of this, you can also develop a sore throat or neck pain or lung disorders as a result of a blocked throat chakra. What is a sore throat? In brief, I want to say a sore throat is a painful, dry, or scratchy feeling in the throat. Pain in the throat is common symptom. Most sore throats are caused by infection or by environmental factors like dry air. Sore throats are divided into types based on the part of the throat they affect. Pharyngitis affects the area light behind the mouth. Tonsillitis is swelling and redness of the tonsils and soft tissues in the back of the mouth. Laryngitis is swelling and redness of the voice box or larynx. Along with the sore throat, you can have symptoms like the nasal congestion, runny nose, sneezing, cough, fever, chills, swollen glands in the neck, hoarse voice, body ache, appetite loss. Cause of sore throat colds, the flu, and other viral infection, bacterial infection, allergies, dry area, etc. Now we are talking about the unlocking fifth energy center means throat chakra. How can we unlock it? Mantra holds powerful healing and transformative energy. Mantra are the gateway to clearing up energy blockage in the body. We recited, they invoke a wave of spiritual healing on a cellular level. As you chant or sing mantras, you expand your spirit and awaken to the possibilities of the healing your body and the mind. The purpose of the mantra is to empower. Throat chakra mantras can help to clear blockages that may exist in your throat for complete throat chakra healing. Now we do practical how can we recite mantra and balance throat chakra. If you can sit easily, then use Sukhasana. Close your eyes and concentrate on throat chakra. Visualize a large white drop of nectar. This nectar is a kind of the sweet secretion which is produced at Bindu chakra and falls down to the Vishuddhi chakra where it is purified and processed for the further use throughout the body. Try to experience drop of sweet nectar falling down to Vishuddhi chakra, giving a feeling of blissful intoxication. With this feeling, you have to chant Om or Om Namah Shiva silently without open lips. Come with me and practice of the chanting mantra. Remember, Om is not a word, it is a sound, it is a nad. You have to listen carefully and then chant inside of your mind. Second mantra is also powerful mantra to unlock this energy center. Om Namah Shivaya. Now we practice how to chant Om. In this way, you can chant silently Om.